In this video, we will explore the process of translating PDF files into different languages, and the best part is that it's completely free. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more informative content, and don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Your feedback in the comments is always appreciated as it helps us improve our content. Have you ever had a PDF document that you needed to translate into another language? It can be a common challenge, but in this video, I'll show you how to translate PDFs for free. Let's dive right into the guide. Step 1. Open a web browser. Begin by launching a web browser. You can use any web browser you prefer. Step 2. Access Google Drive. Go to Google Drive by typing Google Drive into your web browser's search bar and selecting the official result. Step 3. Upload the PDF. Once you're in your Google Drive, click on Plus New on the left side and then choose File Upload. Locate the PDF file you want to translate on your computer and select it by clicking Open. Google Drive will quickly upload the PDF file. Step 4. Open with Google Docs. Find the uploaded PDF file in your Google Drive and double-click on it to open it. You will see a preview of the PDF. Click on Open with Google Docs at the top of the screen. Google Docs will convert the PDF into an editable document, and you can now proceed with translation. Step 5. Translate the document. To translate the document, click on Tools at the top of the screen. Select Translate Document from the drop-down menu. Choose the language you want to translate the document into, for example, Dutch. Give your translated document a name, such as Dutch Translation. Click Translate. Google Docs will automatically create a translated copy of your document in the selected language. Step 6. Save as a PDF. If you wish to save the translated document as a PDF, navigate to the left side of the screen. Click on File, then select Download. Choose PDF document as the format. The translated document will be downloaded to your computer in PDF format. By following these steps, you can easily translate PDF documents into different languages using Google Docs, and it won't cost you a thing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more informative content. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.